Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you've seen the title. This could be a possible October BoxyCharm spoiler. Now this was found on a BoxyCharm ad. First we're going to go over what we already know about, and then I'm going to show you the new thing. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track, do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment on my last video, which was my Family Dollar mini makeup haul. Congratulations, Laura Dennis. Laura says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Laura. I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Now, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into these spoilers. First, you know there's going to be 2 variations. You are either going to get the Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner or this Paula's Choice Exfoliator. Now next was these choice items. Y'all should have already got the email where you got to pick one of them. It's either the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray or the Touch In Soul Glassy Skin Balm. Now, the new one that we just seen on the BoxyCharm ad is the iconic London lip gloss. Now, this may be possibly in the October boxes, y'all. And as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, you know I'm going to keep you guys updated. I tell y'all everything. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Tabitha Abbott. Tabitha said, this is the first non-spoiler video I've watched of yours. Well, Tabitha, I sure hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you continue watching my non-spoilers as well as my spoilers. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Now remember, guys, leave a comment if you would like to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my likes, my comments, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? Why don't you just comment that down below? I would like to know. Guys, I need you to rate the video if you would. But you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more videos of mine. You don't miss no more spoilers. You're going to know everything. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.